Hi guys, in today's video I'd like to show off our new product, which is electronic shelf edge labels. Now what these are is a more modern digital replacement for printed shelf edge labels. For example, if you have a shop, let's say you have a butchery with many products and you've got printed shelf edge labels on display. The idea of this is to replace them, and what you'd get is an electronic shelf-edge label for, well, for as many products as you want, and that will be controlled from velocity. And there's a few things we can do with it as well. So we can of course update the product name, the description, the actual theme, so like the color of the ESEL, and the price, and some other things as well. We can also even put a QR code on if you like as well, which will link to your website. For example, Pigs in Blankets. We can have the QR code on, so when you scan it, it will link to the Pigs and Blankets product on your website. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how it looks in real life. So I've got a Department of Products ESEL items here, and obviously ESEL stands for Electronic Shelf Edge Label. So you can see this is all my products, and I'm just going to show you. So when you double click, we've now got this tab here, electronic shelf edge label. So this is obviously the product name. This is the description. The description tends to go directly underneath the product name, although we can move fields around on the label, the eCell, however you want, using a designer, of course. This is the QR code. So as you can see, this will bring it to company website, and it's specifically the product there, because obviously this is a turkey and this is that same turkey on the website. This field is actually original price. So for example, if you want the original price, like a slash through it. So for example, $2.99 with a slash through it, and now it's $1.99, for example. We've got allergens down here. So again, we can put these fields wherever you want on your e-cells. And we've got ingredients and notes. Again, we can put them wherever you want. So this is where you change the data on the product. So name, description, allergens, all that kind of stuff, QR code. And to update it, you just click OK. And it takes around a minute to update. And I'll be showing you that in a second in real time in an actual video of them. Now down here we've got the electronic shelf edge label module, and if I double click on this, for example, this is just the device name, so small white because that's the physical appearance of the ESEL in this case. And here we can see it's linked to Christmas turkey. A description is just for your cells, just for display to make life easier. And we've got the template name here. So what this is actually the theme of it. This is a good example. So I mean the wording is not the best here, but these are actually different themes, different designs with different colors. Now each e-cell has a limited amount of different colors it can do. Some of them are just black and white. Some can do red, blue, yellow. It depends what your requirements are. So what I'm going to do now is switch the video to a real-time clip of these e-cells, I'm going to update something on them, which I'll explain in the next part of the video, and you should see it update on the ESEL in real time. So let's do that now. Now, following on from the video where we was just at, the last bit I was showing you the the module where we can change the template name, which is like the theme and design of it. Now, this one, I've just selected a different design on it. So as I said, it takes a minute or so to update, and you will notice that as it's doing now. Now this is the ESEL updating. So as you can see, now this has got several colours, red being one of them. So as you can see, I've just updated the theme on that. So that's actually a different design. But as you can see, it's it burns the picture in. So the batteries last many years before needing replacement. And what it does, it actually burns the picture into the screen, and that's how it preserves the battery so long. So this is actually powered off now. But as I said, it burns the design into the screen and then turns itself off. So as you can imagine, they last for many, many years. We've got the QR code there as well, as you can see, which would link to the website which is specified on the product. I'm just going to update a few things, so let's have a look. That is the birthday cake, and what I'm doing now, I'm in the Velocity product designer. And I'm just going to put in some text. And any second now, again, you'll see it update. Now this time I haven't changed the design, and as you can see, it's changing now. I've just updated some of the data on this ESEL. So there we go. I've just changed the name to Hello YouTube and the description to YouTube Test. But of course we can change the price, allergens, ingredients, all that kind of stuff. And if you would like to inquire about this, please give us a call on 01926 95 663. These are the ESELs we have to offer. These, as you can imagine, are very good for just standard small items in the shop, whereas the bigger ones are good for showing off fancy items. So thanks for watching, and give us a call if you're interested. Bye bye.